Hey, fellow financial explorers. Ever wonder what stocks are going to be the talk of the town in 2024? Well, strap in because we're about to spill the beans on two stocks that could make your investment portfolio pop like confetti at a party. First up, let's talk about GreenGen Energy Solutions, ticker Gurgan. Picture this. They're like the superheroes of the renewable energy world, fighting off pollution and saving the planet, one solar panel at a time. With everyone jumping on the green energy bandwagon faster than you can say, renewable resources rock, investing in GreenGen could be your golden ticket to being a part of the eco-friendly revolution. Plus, who doesn't want to make some green while saving the planet, right? But wait, there's more. Cue the drum roll for Health Tech Innovations Inc. Ticker HTINN. These folks are like the tech wizards of the healthcare world, sprinkling a little bit of magic into everything they touch. From AI-powered diagnostics to telehealth platforms that make waiting rooms a thing of the past, they're revolutionizing the way we think about healthcare. And with more people than ever needing top-notch medical services, investing in health tech could be your chance to ride the wave of healthcare innovation straight to financial success. Now, before you go diving headfirst into the stock market like it's a pool on a hot summer day, remember, investing isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are risks involved, like accidentally buying stocks in a company that makes hats for cats instead of the next big tech giant. So, take your time, do your research, and maybe even chat with a financial guru who can help you navigate the choppy waters of investing. But hey, if you're looking for a little excitement and a lot of potential in 2024, keep your eyes on GreenGen Energy Solutions and Health Tech Innovations Inc. Who knows? With a little luck and a whole lot of smarts, you could be riding high on the stock market roller coaster faster than you can say, "Show me the money." So there you have it, folks. Two stocks with serious potential in 2024. Get ready to ride the investment wave and make your financial dreams a reality. And hey, if all else fails, at least you'll have some good stories to tell at the next family dinner.